Michelle here from Straw-Bearie.com. I'm a teacher, I'm a crafter, and I'm a DIYer, and welcome to my channel. On this channel, you're going to find lots of videos about crafting. There's going to be wreaths and home decor and Dollar Tree crafts, but honestly, almost all of my crafts are very inexpensive and cheap because I kind of think that's what crafting should be about. I also love paper crafting, so there will be card tutorials and Bible journaling. I am also a teacher, so sometimes I will throw in some teacher tutorials like how to use Google Classroom. I am also an independent stylist with Lila Rose hair accessories, so I will also throw in some videos about how to do some cute hairstyles at different times. So as of right now, today, I am 79 people away from having 1,000 subscribers. And when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. I am creating some just little goodie packages that have paper and some stencils and some envelopes and some stickers and just some crafty goodness to give away. I'm also creating one that is full of children's crafts. So if you have kids, you can maybe win that one. To enter, first of all, you need to be subscribed to my channel, and I would love it if you hit that notifications bell as well. And you need to leave a comment on this video. And in that comment, I want you to tell me if you would be happy with a paper crafting goodie box, or if you would like the children's goodie box, or if either one would work for you. And that's it. Once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be drawing a name and giving away the prize. So you have until 79 more people subscribe. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. Hit that subscribe button, notifications. Hey, even give this video a like. That would really help me out. And check out some of the other videos on my channel. Have a great day. Toodles!